With BeFunky's design templates, you have many different options for adding and customizing text. Any text box already included in a design template is fully customizable. Just click any text box and type something new. You can use the blue circles around the text box to resize and rotate it. And reposition the text by dragging it wherever you'd like. Anytime a text box is selected, a Text Properties toolbar appears to help you customize the text. You can access hundreds of free fonts to use by clicking the font menu, and even add your own fonts if you'd like. Change the color of your text by clicking the color tile and choosing a new hue. Use the eyedropper tool to select a color from your photo, or get a specific color by typing in the color hex code. The letter spacing button lets you increase and decrease the amount of space between letters and line heights. Add typographical emphasis with bold, italic, and underline buttons, and use the alignment buttons to align your text within its text box. You can choose a background color for your text box by clicking its color tile, and adjust the padding using the slider. Outline your text using the outline color tile, and adjust the size of the outline using the slider. Or easily add a highlight color to your text box. Use the duplicate button to make a copy of any text box and keep all of your formatting choices the same. And delete a text box by selecting it and pressing the delete button on your keyboard. You'll find even more options for customizing your text by clicking the Options button, such as adjustments for blend modes, opacity, and more. If you ever need to add a new text box, you can always click on the Text tab in the menu on the left and select the Add Text button. Just type your text into the text box that appears, and use the Text Properties toolbar to customize it.